Say you're more involved, you're a lot involved, let's say, into how to promote projects, how to go to market. What are the, let's say, best practices or the things, the do's and don'ts that you see?
Yeah. So for us, a token sale is pretty similar to any other sale. So you have a product, right, a token, and you're trying to sell it to a client, which in this case is an investor, by convincing them that the price they're paying for it is less than the value that they're getting. Right? And for you to do this successfully, you have to make sure that the cost of persuading them of this is less than what you're taking in from them. So just like any other sale for us, you split it into 3 parts. First, you identify your target investors. Then you decide what story you want to tell these target investors. And then finally, you get to the part where you figure out how to get that story in front of your target investors. Now, most people focus on the third of that, and they come to us and say, how do we get in front of investors, how do we market? But for us, laying the groundwork with those first 2 is actually the most important part. So the way we approach it is, nowadays, everyone's target market has to be institutional investors. You know, they're driving the narrative, there's not enough liquidity with retail investors. So for us, we approach it as, let's reverse engineer the work that the best, most prominent institutional investors will be doing in analyzing your project and making sure that you pass all the tests they'll put you to with flying colors. Our team has a background in finance, economics, computer science, so we can do that sort of in-depth preparation and due diligence. So the way we sort of do this is, you know, after 120 projects, as you said, we have our own internal checklist. It's pretty long, I'm not going to take you through the whole thing, but I'll just give you a brief background of 4 of the areas. So the first one that's really important is documentation. So documentation, obviously, you're always telling the same story. You know, the problem, the market context, the solution, why you're the right team to do this, how much money you're going to make. But the way you tell the story has to change based on who you're targeting, right? Institutional investors require institutional grade documentation. They'll expect sensitivity analysis, risk analysis, all this stuff. Retail investors, less so. Legal side, we need to make sure that the projects have the right legal structure, they're in the right jurisdiction for what they're trying to do. Token economics, it's probably my specialty. Really important, you need to make sure that there's a clear story for how this token will have value, valuation framework. And then finally, once all that groundwork's in place, you have the marketing, which is just figuring out how to tell that story that you just crafted and how to get it in front of investors. And that's kind of the easy part once you've done the rest of it.
Okay.